Hi everybody, it's Kit Schroeder and I'm here to give you a quick tour of our suite, R611, Riviera Deck 611 here on the Regal Princess. So to begin with, we have this beautiful living room. There's a sofa, 2 chairs, a coffee table, there is a television set, there's one in the bedroom as well. We have a bar, it comes complete with 1 mini bar setup. Then there's a closet here for hanging items. And then this desk. You have 2 power outlets and 6 drawers here on the desk. Then there are 3 additional drawers over here. There's a nightstand next to this pull-out sofa. And then we have sliders out to a balcony. It's a double width balcony. And the bedroom. We have a king bed. You can have 2 twin beds. There's 1 nightstand, again with 3 drawers. I think altogether this room has 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 drawers. 15 drawers, so that's really good storage. There are 2 power outlets, as I said, at the desk. There is another power outlet at the vanity, so there may be more. That's what I found. That was enough for us. Sliders out to the balcony here as well. And then there are 2 closets here. And then the bathroom. Let's see, there is a closet here as well with the shelves. You do have 2 hanging hooks here on the door from the bedroom into the bathroom, which is nice. And then we have a deep soaker tub. We have a separate glass enclosed shower. Sorry for the steam. And then there's a very large, look how beautiful this vanity, so pretty. And then a separate water closet. This is like a little half bathroom attached to the full bath. There is 1 toilet in the suite. And then out to the main entrance again. And that's it. That's my quick tour of our 611 here on the Regal Princess. We love it.